Do you want to make peasants kneel and kiss your tacky ring? Well, I got you. Here's how I made my rings for my upcoming pre-ninja cosplay in seconds. And you only need 3 things to do it. A pack of flatback gems, some adjustable flatback ring bases, and super glue. And yourself, of course. Oh my god, did you hear my stomach gurgle in that? Anyways, let's start with the fun bit, picking out the gems that you want. Next, pick out your ring base. The circle on them comes in different sizes, so pick according to the gem size that you want on that ring. Then you're just going to dab the super glue on the ring and stick the gem to it. Keep in mind the way that you want the gem to sit on your finger. I find it easier to turn the gem upside down and line it up so that it's central, but it doesn't have to be central. It's entirely up to you and how you want the gem to sit on the ring. And that is literally it. You are done. Oh my god. Want to see it again? Bam. Again? Bam. Better lighting? Bam. You can even stack them for pretty effects. It is super cheap and super easy to do. You can make as many as you have ring bases. So get out there and be fabulous and make those peasants worship you.